If you're trying to figure out exactly how to set up your LLC, you're not sure what to do next, and you need some answers, then you want to pay attention to what I'm about to talk about in today's video. Hi, my name is Jim Hart. I'm the founding attorney here at Hawthorn Law, where we help online businesses get their legal house in order so that you can focus on what you do best, and that is building something that truly matters in the world. Today, it's a little bit different video. I'm not in the office. I'm about to get to the office here, but today is really for those of you who are already subscribers, who have followed me a lot, who are interested in what I have to say and what I'm doing and the products I'm working on. And that's because today, I want to share with you something I'm going to be doing on Monday. I'm going to be hosting a workshop, and we're going to talk all about everything you need to know to start up and run your LLC properly. So anything that's been in any of the videos I've done about LLCs, all that stuff is fair game. We're going to talk about all of it on Monday. I don't know how long it's going to take. You know, it might take an hour, it might take 3 hours, it might take, who knows what it's going to take. I'm really not sure, but I'm going to be doing this. This is not a typical webinar as a lot of people do. They do webinars and then try and sell you into a course. This is not that type of format. This is actually a paid call. It's going to be a workshop. We're going to dive in. We're going to talk about everything you need to know to get your LLC started. So if you are on the fence and you're trying to get your LLC started and you're not quite sure what you need to do next, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And for people that sign up and participate in this workshop, at the very beginning of the workshop, I'm not even going to make you wait till the end. I'm going to do it right at the beginning. I'm going to share with you a coupon code that you can use to invest in my online business legal toolkit that I will be relaunching to the public again next week. So it's been closed here while we just finished up a class that started at the beginning of July, and so we're gonna be reopening that again next week. But you're gonna be able to use a coupon code that I'm gonna give you at the beginning to get $100 off the online business legal toolkit. A lot of you out there are really struggling with different things with your LLC. You're struggling with what state to form it in, what address to use, whether or not you need a registered agent, what order you should set things up in. Should you do your trademark first? Should you do your LLC first? What is necessary to run the LLC? How are you going to handle the taxes for your LLC? All these issues. I'm going to be talking about all this on Monday and answering all your questions. We're going to do it live. It's going to be a big group call. I'll field your questions about LLCs and what you need to do to keep yourself protected on that call. And then, like I said, also a lot of people want to know, will the replay be available? And yes, to people that sign up and register, the replay will be available for this call. This is really important. This is also important if you're on the fence about the online business legal toolkit, because you do get that $100 coupon towards the toolkit. In addition, so this will be a great lead in for those of you that want to enroll in the online business legal toolkit, and then we can roll right into that in the following week. Hopefully, I look forward to seeing you on Monday. There will be a link down below, or you can go to hawthornlaw.net/workshop to register. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks, folks. Have a great weekend.